We had a historical cold weather. Our pipe in attic was broken. You can see it's broken here. This is a copper tuber, and we bought this tool and we cut 2 inch of this tubing. Yeah, this is called a tubing cutter, and we are going to put a connector here, then see if we can fix the problem. This is the connector we are going to use. It's called this. It's called a slip coupling. It's called a slip coupling. So basically, we connect this end to here, then use this tool, slide back and connect to this end. Okay, this slip coupling is on, and the pipe leaking is fixed.